Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia Romaidauta Said with student ID 122490004 from the RB Praktikum LAS. PLC Counter Application in Pneumatic Systems. Ladder counter CNT, CNTR. In PLC systems, a counter is a special instruction used to count input pulse or events such as button presses or sensor detections. Counters are commonly applied in automation processes to keep track of production quantities, machine cycles, or repetitions of an event. The two main counter types used in ladder diagrams are CNT counter up and CNTR counter reversible. The CNT instruction increases its count each time the input is activated, while the CNTR can both increment and decrement depending on which input the preset value. The output bit becomes on, which can then activate external device like indicator lamps, relay, or solenoid valves. The CNR or counter reset instruction is used to reset the counter value back to 0 when needed. The ladder PLC the ladder PLC. The working process of the counter begins when an input device such as a push button or proximity sensor sends a pulse to the PLC. Its pulse causes the CNT instruction to increase its current value CV by 1. Once the number of pulses counted reaches the preset value, The counter output turns on, activating an output device such as alarm or pneumatic solenoid valve. If a reset signal is received, the CN or instruction resets the count back to 0, allowing the process to start again. In the CNTR, reversible counter tied to separate inputs are used, one for counting up and one for counting down. When the up input is triggered, the counter value increases, and when the down input is triggered, the counter value decreases. The output remains on while the count is at about the preset value and automatically turns off if the output remains on while the count is at or above the preset value and automatically turns off if the count drops below it. This mechanism allows precise bidirectional counting in automated control systems. Ladder circuit and PLC trainer board connection. On the PLC trainer board, the ladder diagram containing the CNT or CNTR instruction is implemented using input device such as push button or sensors connected to the PLC's input terminal and output device like indicator lamps or pneumatic actuators connected to the output terminals. The PLC receives electrical signals from the inputs, processes them through the counter logic, and updates the internal counter value in real time. When the preset count is reset, the output bit turns on, energizing the output device connected to the PLC. For example, pressing the input button down times with PV scan will cause the output lamp to turn on, showing that the counting process has reset its limit. If the reset button is present, the counter resets to 0 and the output turns off again. This demonstrates how the ladder counter instruction or CNT and CNTR are integrated within PLC systems, showing physical input signals to logical operation and visible output response. The experiment on the trainer board visualizes how the PLC car's input events and automatically controls connected device according to the program ladder logic.